Here are a few other items that I use when creating jewelry. First off is a number 2 pencil that is circular in shape. I find that this is just the right size for creating an ear wire and also is great for creating very small hoop earrings. Then we have a file or sandpaper which we use to smooth down the ends of the wire. Next we have a 6-inch ruler, which is very useful to have, and in many of my videos I give you a predetermined length of wire which you can measure on a ruler for that project. Having a ring mandrel is also very useful. We can use this not only to bend the rings into shape, but we can also use it to wrap wire for hoop earrings or any other circular object that we need to make. You can find them in singular ring sizing as well as in a tapered shape like this, where you can create multiple sizes from one ring mandrel. It's also very useful to have a good craft glue. We can use this to secure thread or beads onto a wire when we need a little extra hold. Now here we have some of the most basic jewelry findings and the ones which you will most often or most likely use in my videos. All of these things can be made out of wire, but sometimes it is useful to have them already made. First off, we have a classic earring shape, and this is called a French hook. They come in different styles as well as different metal types. Next we have jump rings, and these also come in different colors as well as a large variety of sizes. Lastly, we have a basic head pin, which you can see has the head and then a long shaft, which they do come in different lengths as well as a couple of different colors. Here is one in antique brass color, and you can see it actually has a fancy head on the pin, which there are options like that out there. While there are a ton of different options of jewelry findings, these are the ones that I use most often when creating wire jewelry.